Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the Uni-ball, and it's like R:E3 Biz. Now what these are is, these are Uni-ball erasable like gel pens, but they're like the multi-pen versions of them. And these are on about 15 or 16 bucks each. Now, one thing that I want to point out about these particular pens is this is a limited edition one, and these are the not limited edition ones. And so, if you want to find these, I'll include links. I'm including links in the description for finding them on Amazon. And also, I got this one from the Tokyo Pen Shop, and I'll include a link to there as well. Because... that's weird. I wonder if the Tokyo Pen Shop one needs refills. No. Doesn't need refills? What's going on with that then? Did I not screw things in far enough? Oh. That's awesome. Okay, check that out. These are cooler than I thought they were. Okay, so this one has black ink, red ink, black, blue, and red ink, right? And what happens is, you select the one you want, black, or blue, or red, and then you push the top, and you get it. That's pretty cool. And then... so it's like a clicky top pen. That's pretty neat. Oh, okay. Just so you saw me do it a second ago, but I want to make sure it was clear what I was doing. If you need to unscrew this to replace the refills, what you do is put your finger like right there on the edge, and like press down and then twist. And so what you want to do is you want to hold the twisting mechanism in place while you unscrew it, and that'll unscrew the bottom part. And then refill wise, what size refills are these? They are I guess the uni refills. Okay. The link to the Tokyo Pen Shop should have information on the refills, I believe. Let's see. Did I not stick it in far enough? Bet it didn't stick it in far enough. Bet it didn't stick something in far enough. Alright. There we go. Make sure those are all in. Yeah, that's it. Alright. Let's screw this back in and try it out. Yeah, there we go. They're all going around now. Alright. So this is the Uni-ball. And it's like it's R:E3, and it's the Biz. I'm assuming the Biz is because it's supposed to be a little fancier. Now these things are supposed to be erasable. Let's try the other colors first real quick. And then, so, pop off those little cases, those little covers. And it'll stick to my gloves. Alright, so the Uni-ball R:E3 Biz. I gotta tell you, it's kind of weird having to push the little clicky top and then twist it. It's not bad, it's just one of the things I have to think about it, because I'm either wanting to twist or click, but not both. So, Uni-ball R:E3 Biz. Yeah, I'm trying to click and twist at the same time. Okay, now these are supposed to be erasable, right? And so we have the eraser. Now, I kind of feel like a lot of these inks that are listed as erasable should be like erasable in quotes, because what they mean is this is the kind of ink that when it heats up from the friction, it goes away, and so it does an okay job erasing. Can y'all see that? Like, that's me erasing the word biz. And it's mostly gone. So, one thing that I thought was kind of neat about this pen is this has a thing where it's a clicky top pen, right? But it's set up so you can't use the clicky top if it's upside down. Like, it doesn't click, which is kind of cool. So it lets you erase with impunity and not have to worry about like erasing and clicking at the same time. So this is the special edition, like, gold one. Now let's take a look at the standard ones. So this is just the black one. Doesn't look too bad, right? And I mean, they're like, aside from the difference in color, that's pretty much it for these. And then we have a white one. Not bad looking, I guess. The ink, I'm not really ever super crazy about the erasable ink. It just seems like the ink seems, I mean, it's lighter than normal to begin with, and it seems like it's not as smooth. It's not as enjoyable to write with the erasable ink pens. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. If there are any multi-pens you think I should take a look at, you can let me know in the comments. And if you have had these and tried them and like them, dislike them, whatever, let me know down there as well. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.